Welcome back. As far as the face-off that continues between the Delhi Lieutenant Governor and the Aam Aadmi Party government, there has been a column that has been written by Delhi Lieutenant Governor in a newspaper daily where he seems to be in that editorial slamming the Aam Aadmi Party government, saying that the Chief Minister who is in judicial custody and the citizens of Delhi are the ones that have been held hostage. In this column, as he is questioning when it comes to the Delhi model of governance and of course what all has happened in the state in the last 10 years. Let's quickly go across to Tetri now. Tetri, updates coming in as far as what exactly are the points or the highlights that has been raised by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor in this editorial in English daily.
Well, yes, the Delhi LG VK Saxena has highlighted all the points. In fact, he has also highlighted the lapses in the working of Delhi government. Say it be about the master plan, say it be about the health, say it be about the infrastructure, say it about the roads, drainage, sewage system, or the sanitation. And in fact, he has also highlighted that how the Delhi has to face a problem in every monsoon, and then it is about and it is also not only just in monsoon but in summer people have to face drinking problem. And then he has also highlighted that the government is not investing enough to build new roads, drains, water, storage facilities. And then in fact he has also he has also mentioned about the air quality in several areas and about the hill-sized mounds of garbage at Ghazipur, Okhla and Bhalswa. And because we have seen that these particular landfills, these particular landfills in Ghazipur, Okhla have always been a talking point during the time of elections. There is no solid waste management in the city, and he has also said that the elected government is always shedding off their responsibility. The blame game is the blame game always continues, and they always find a convenient escape as far as this particular government is concerned. And then when it is about the water, then they say that Haryana is not releasing the water, and these in such a way Delhi LG has highlighted all the points, and in fact he has summed up as to what what work Delhi government has done in their tenure.
Points there being raised by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, because according to the headline there, he has been calling it as a nightmare for Aam Aadmi, saying that Delhi is a case study in misgovernance and it deserves better. Tetri, thank you very much. We'll get your reactions on this story back after a short break. You're watching the Morning News Hour.